Hey, my name is Paul. I am a digital presenter for the PartsFPS. Today, I am going to talk about relay for Turbochef part hashtag 101,273. Relay for Turbochef part hashtag 101,273 is a replacement part for the Turbochef oven. It is a relay that helps to control the power supply to the oven. The relay helps to regulate the amount of power that is supplied to the oven, ensuring that it operates at its optimal level. This part is essential for proper operation of the oven and should be replaced if it fails or becomes damaged. The relay can be easily replaced by removing the existing one and replacing it with a new one. This part is an important component of any Turbochef oven and should be kept in good. This part fixes the following symptoms. The part number 101,273 is for a Turbochef oven door hinge. This part is used to replace a broken or damaged oven door hinge and will fix the symptom of an oven door that does not open or close properly. Here is how you install this part. 1. Begin by unplugging the power cord from the Turbochef oven. 2. Remove the oven door and locate the relay board on the left side of the oven. 3. Disconnect all wires connected to the existing relay board and remove it from its mounting bracket. 4. Install the new relay board, part hashtag 101,273, in place of the old one and reconnect all wires to their respective terminals. 5. Securely mount the new relay board in place with screws or other fasteners as necessary. 6. Plug in the power cord and test that all functions of the oven are working properly before. You can buy this part from www.PartsFPS.com. Click on product link in video description or search with part number on www.PartsFPS.com. Visit www.PartsFPS.com to order commercial kitchen equipment parts.